Hey guys, another truck update, and I hope you can hear me. It's a little windy out here every once in a while, but not too much. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully you can hear me. But today is pretty simple. As you see this box behind me, nothing too special, nothing spectacular. It's rain guards. I've been wanting some rain guards for the truck for a while. Rain guard. Say that 5 times fast. Anyway. These are going to be the low profile, and I will add a link in the description box below or a link up here somewhere in the video. That way you can follow on Amazon where I bought these from, how much they are. I think they were pretty inexpensive. Actually, no. The low profile, are actually $20 more than the regular rain guards that go on the outside of your truck. So these actually fit in the, I really forgot what that's called right now, but they go inside that little slot that your window goes up in. And forgive me for proper verbiage not having it, but I'll look on the directions again. I did read the directions, by the way. And I got a little ahead of myself last night. It was a little bit too dark to film last night, and I was too excited that I wanted to get the first one on to try it out to see what it actually does. Sorry, I unboxed it and went ahead and tried the first one, but we will go through this. All right, I'll go ahead and show you the one that I already put on. There we go. So that way you can see what it looks like, how it fit on, and like I said, these are the low profile. So as you can see, these go inside that slot, and I can't roll the window down to show you because it has to set for 24 hours to make sure the it adheres to the inside. But as you can see from the back window, it goes up in here. All right, this is the outside, and this is the inside slot where the window comes in. So that's where we're gonna be working at today, is inside this slot, okay? So since we already put this one on, that's what the finished product is gonna look like, which is, to me, awesome. And I think I've got an appointment next week, finally, to tint the windows, so that'll be nice. It's not, like I said, huge and spectacular, but as far as the upgrade, it's still an upgrade, still a truck mod, so that's what we're gonna go through. So here we go, diving on in. So the first step we have to do is clean the inside of that slot with the alcohol wipe. After we clean it with the alcohol wipe, we will take these little red tabs off. Actually, they're little plastic pieces of film that cover the adhesive. So we'll take those off. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And after that, we put it up in there, add some pressure, make sure it adheres. There are some plastic clips that go right on the inside of this, between where this plastic part is and the frame of the truck itself. And there's one that goes in between this and the mirror backing. Again, my verbiage is gone today. I'm just excited to have it because it's another truck upgrade. But the one goes in the front right here, and then one goes in the back right here. So we will do that real quick, and I'll still keep walking us through it. And I apologize, I just got off from work, just got home. I'm just excited about having some light and getting going to put this mod on. And you can see the other box in the background. I will show you that for the next update or upgrade that I'm getting ready to get. See if you can guys guess it from there what it is. If you do guess it correctly, just leave it in the comment box below. And I might give you a short prequel to that. Anybody know yet? No? There's 2 of them. What could it be? All right, this might actually give it away. All right. If you don't know what it is, keep guessing. If you do know what it is, that's cool. That's probably going to be the next upgrade that we're going to do. I don't think I've done any giveaways yet because I don't really have too many products to give away, but I am starting a partnership, so to speak, with a well-known company, and can give out some gift cards. So if you guess it correctly from this video, then you will get a gift card to a well-known well-known car place. So anyway, let's get started on this upgrade. All right, alcohol wipe. Hopefully you can hear me. If not, I'm going to insert some music or insert some commentary in the video. All right, so we're going to do the front window. This is the box that it came in. I already took it out, obviously. So we're just wiping down the inside, that way it's clean. Now the instructions say to have a paint scraper, which I have, and that should be all the hard tools you need. However, I'm glad that the wife and I had worked on the one last night because we ran into an issue with the paint scraper. It was actually too floppy or too flimsy to push in the plastic clip. So I had to get a flathead screwdriver, which not a big deal, but that's another tool that you might need for this mod. All right, now that that's clean, here are those red tabs, and it's really just some plastic film we're gonna take off. It's really just to cover the adhesive. There you go, see? Just peels right off. So I'm gonna do that for the rest of them and hopefully not damage the adhesive, as I think some of it is not on correct, well, no, I wouldn't say correctly, but, oh, there we go. And yes, I'm outside of the carport. If I was inside the carport, one, I couldn't get on this side of my truck that well to video and to show you guys what's going on. Two, the light would be so dark and horrible, it would not be worth filming, as we found out last night. I might add some music here or something to keep you guys entertained while I do this, because who wants to see somebody take covers off of adhesive? And we might have another special guest. My youngest son is again behind me, as well as my oldest son is out in the yard as well today. There we go. All right, so the instructions say start with the back first and then put the front in. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. All right, so here we go inside the slot. There we go. And that's honestly how easy it is to put inside that slot. All right, now that that's in, here are the clips. All right, and this is what the clips look like. Basically goes inside the door, so your window can still go through this slot. And this puts pressure on one side of the rain guard, and this puts pressure on the truck, so everything stays apart, but functional. And I would show you what this looks like, but I don't have any camera people right now, so I might try to show you on the second one. That was pretty easy. I found out how to do that last night. Let's see if I can take you guys inside the truck. Maybe that might work. So we're working up here. This is how that goes in. And really just goes in. Well, I'll have to fish that one out now. So, wow, that was a good catch. I apologize if my head is in the way. I don't want to drop another one of these things. I need a camera person, like badly. All right, let's see if I can open the door. There we go. Now you can see the lovely side of my house. And I may work from this angle because this may seem to prove better. And I'm not sure which angle is better, if we do it this way or if we do it this way. I have no idea. It looks kind of the same to me. But basically pushing that back, now that's going to add pressure back here for this and between the door, and now the glass can slide up. So now I'm supposed to, let me see if I can take you down this way, and we will pull the mirror up. Oh, I'm sorry, window up. Forgive me. Oh, wrong position. Here we go. All right, so we're supposed to hold this out, putting some pressure on it, hold it out while the window goes up. And you want to do this slowly, making sure that the window goes in between the plastic and the door. I'm sorry, yeah, in between the plastic and the door, because if it tries to go anywhere else, it's not going to, oh, Jesus God. All right, so that would be the, okay, that worked, and it looked like that side worked as well. All right, cool. So that's it. Window went up, and now this has to stay for 24 hours for this adhesion to stay where it's at, or to adhere to the inside where we just cleaned it with the alcohol wipe. But as you can see, the low profile, I'm going to take you back outside. But that's really, it is on now. This low profile rain guard is on. Doesn't stick out a whole lot. It's very low profile. I like it. Slimline, streamline, whatever you want to call it. This mod didn't really take a whole lot. I'm going to do the same thing for the back window. I may do a time lapse for that, as we don't want to sit through another 3.5 minutes of me doing the exact same thing, unless you guys just want to see that. But that's basically how to do that. I'm going to go ahead, let's see, figure out which one is the back here. Nope, that's the other side. So as you can tell, for the back windows, one side is curved and the other side, is kind of square. So that square side actually goes in the front, and that curved one obviously goes in the back. All right, just like that. All right, I'm going to probably cue the time lapse. And even though that I don't like cutscenes, this one's kind of a self-explanatory mod. Again, it's not real big, flashy, fancy or anything. It's really simple, but provides what you need. So again, these are the ABS. Let me clean up my mess here. There we go. So ABS. There's another website you can go to, or you can go to Amazon.com. Like I said, the link will be in the description box below, and or in the comments section. If you guys like what you saw, please like, subscribe. Let me know another mod that you want to see on a truck or on the F-150. Again, this is a 2012 F-150. Years 09 from 04. 09 from 14 are about the same as far as modifications, upgrades, and anything that you can interchange part-wise on the vehicles. So thanks again, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.